Yo, what's going on? How you guys doing? It's Top G Trading Signals, and today I will break down the GBPJPY short analysis. I've made 389 bucks. I'll show you the proof. That's my Traders Way account. If you go to Traders Way, so that's how the layout looks like. So that's the account. Shows live account 1620, and it shows you also GBPJPY. So it was a risk. I think it was a 196, and it shows you over here the profit. So we made two. I had two positions open, so we made 269 and 120. So that's about almost 400, 350 bucks plus. So let's minimize the camera, make it look small, and let's begin with the trading analysis. So you go to GBPJPY, any chart you like. So you go to the daily. I'll show you exactly how I traded that. So we went into the daily, and that's what I've seen. That's how I drew the daily zone over this wick. So I went all the way over here, and I drew a support resistance zone. Let's redraw it again, just to show you exactly how I made it. So I went into the daily time frame. I've seen this liquidity zone. Last time price came over here, it bounced up. So now price broke and then went down. In the daily time frame, it's making higher high, and now it should make a lower low, higher low in the daily. In the 4 hour, it's still higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, and now it made a lower low in the 4 hour. But in the daily, in the overall picture, it's just still in an uptrend and it's making a higher high. So what I've seen in the 4 hour, especially in the 1 hour time frame, I've seen lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, and I was expecting another lower low. So I was in the hourly time frame in GJ, so I allowed the price to play out, and I still didn't get any entry confirmations. I was just chilling. And I think it's this candle, if I'm not wrong. So let's double check. No, it wasn't this candle. It was the retest candle. So we broke below the daily zone, and now we went into the zone again, and now we rejected the zone. We made an H1 rejection closure in the middle of the daily zone that we drew on the daily time frame exactly. So I went into the hourly time frame. That was after London session, so I've seen the H1 rejection closure in the daily zone. I just simply effectively pressed the sell, stop loss above the zone. That's how it looks like exactly, 198. And the TP was on the next 4 hour support resistance zone, so somewhat over here. So that was a 1 to 2. It was a 1.1, 1.2, I don't remember exactly, but it was still a fantastic trade. And this pattern always works out, because break, retest, H1 rejection closure on a clear zone, no second guess, it's a clear zone. We all know it's a clear zone. So I was expecting for price to go even lower, and it went exactly to my way, all the way down. And if I had a higher take profit, for example, the next support zone, and I aimed for a 1 to 2, unfortunately, I would still get hit by break even, and then I would just waste all my time. So this is why I've seen this 4 hour chart, and I just didn't want to didn't want to take a 1 to 100 risk reward. I just took the normal trade and I won. Simple as that. 269 plus 120. And that's how I traded the GJ trade. I didn't have much setups, especially yesterday was a Monday, and I've seen some setups, but most of them are second guess. And the DJ setup was the only setup that was actually worth taking.